Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your Discord link to TikTok bio. So if you want to insert the Discord link, your Discord account link to your TikTok bio, first you can just open your browser and then open the discord.com in here, because this is where you can input the link, and then you can just copy the link in here, so you can put it here, and then after that you can just use the slash, type in users, and then slash again, and then you can just type in your ID, for example here. But when you log in into Discord in the web, maybe your ID will come up with some numbers and everything. You can just copy the link after you log in your Discords on the browser. You can just copy this, and then let's open the TikTok. Okay, so after you open your TikTok app, now you can just go to your profile. So if you haven't have any if you haven't switched your TikTok account to business or professional account, you need to do that first. So you can go to the three lines icon at the top and tap on the settings and privacy, go to account, and now here tap on this switch to business account. So just proceed with the process. You can just tap on next, next again, and here choose the category. I'm going to just choose, for example, baby. You can tap on next again. Here you can add your email, but I'm going to skip this, and here you can close this. And now you can just tap on this edit profile, and if you scroll down, there will be this business information section. This is where you are going to put the link, so you can tap on this at your website, tap on now. Okay, so I think you need to register your business account first before you can add the link. So you can just tap on get started in here, and then you can just tap on get started, and you need to fill in this. After that, you can put your website in here, and after that you can just tap on next, and your Discord link will be saved to your TikTok bio. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on next tutorial. Bye.